Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to... As we drive through Port Sulphur, we're traveling deep into Plaquemines Parish, a narrow stretch of land shaped by the Mississippi River on one side and vast coastal wetlands on the other. This community sits along Louisiana Highway 23, a vital route often called the Plaquemines Parish Corridor, linking New Orleans to the lower reaches of the Mississippi Delta. Port Sulphur traces its origins to the late 19th century, when the discovery of sulfur deposits transformed this quiet river region into an industrial hub. In 1894, large-scale sulfur mining began here using innovative underground extraction methods, drawing workers and their families to the area. The industry brought jobs, housing, and infrastructure, firmly establishing Port Sulphur as a working river town. For decades, sulfur production defined daily life in the community. The port facilities along the Mississippi allowed raw materials to be shipped worldwide, while nearby farms, fishing camps, and small businesses supported local families. Over time, as sulfur production declined, Port Sulphur adapted, with many residents turning to oil, gas, fishing, and maritime industries that continue to support Plaquemines Parish today. Life here has always been shaped by water. The Mississippi River provides economic opportunity, but it also demands constant vigilance. Levees, floodgates, and canals line the landscape, reminders of the engineering required to protect communities in the Delta. Hurricanes and storm surge have repeatedly tested these defenses. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 caused severe flooding and widespread damage in Port Sulphur, leading to long-term recovery and rebuilding efforts. Driving through town, you'll notice modest homes, local churches, and businesses that reflect a close-knit, resilient community. Many residents have deep family roots in the parish, with generations connected to the river and the surrounding wetlands. Shrimping boats, industrial vessels, and river traffic remain common sights, underscoring the area's continued reliance on maritime activity. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!